Hello student, good morning all of you. In last lecture, I discussed with you some synthesis of some selected drug. Drug number 1, isoniazide. Drug number 2, ethambutol. These two drugs are used for anti-tubercular drug. Then third name of the drug is poludrine. Poludrine is anti-malarial drug. Fourth one, benzocaine. Benzocaine is used as local anesthesia. Phenobarbital. Phenobarbital, CNS drug, central nervous system drug, and hypnotic drug. And last one is the chloromycetin. Chloromycetin, antibiotics drug. Means these 6 drugs are used in your syllabus. Then today I am discussing with you last drug, chloromycetin. Chloromycetin is also called as chloramphenicol, and chloramphenicol or chloromycetin is antibiotic drugs. And what is mean by antibiotics? They are chemical compounds produced by living organism or derived from them which are capable of killing or suppressing the growth and multiplication of other microorganisms around them. Produce chemicals produced by living organism such as the virus, bacteria, etc. And these chemicals capable of killing or suppressing the growth and multiplication of other microorganisms around them is called as the antibiotics. All of you know that penicillin is the first known antibiotic. Then here I am discussing with you chloromycetin. You remember that chloromycetin or chloramphenicol is a antibiotic drug. It can be obtained from fermentation broth of Streptomyces venezuelae. However, it is now produced commercially by chemical synthesis. The compound is leo-rotatory. Leo-rotatory, the plane polarizer light rotate to left anti-clockwise direction. Then its synthesis, long name of the scientist Long in 1949, is carried out as under. Then starting material of chloromycetin, you see here para nitroacetophenone. Then para nitroacetophenone undergoes bromination, means reaction with Br2. Then one of the Br and H released in the form of HBr, and another Br atom attached to the CS2 group. Therefore, compound first is the here NO2 group remains as it is. Only COCS3 converted to the COCS2Br. Means para nitroacetophenone undergoes bromination to form compound number first. Then this compound first again treated with first urotropin. Urotropin here CS2 6 times N4 is compound known as urotropin. Then compound first treated with urotropin and again treated with HCl and C2H5OH. Then here CS2Br group is converted to the CS2NH2. Then NO2 group remains as it is, remaining structure. Only CS2Br is converted to the CS2NH2 when treated with structure first with urotropin. Then this compound again treated with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride CS3CO 2 times O. Then one of the CS3CO and H from NH2 group released in the form of acetic acid, and CS2NH2 again converted to the CS2NHCO CS3. Then this compound again treated with formaldehyde. Then in case of CS2H is replaced by CS2OH, means introducing CS2OH group compound treated with formaldehyde in presence of sodium carbonate. Then again further this compound undergoes MPV reduction. In case of MPV reduction, here CO group is converted to the CHOH. For conversion of carbonyl group to the CHOH, compound is treated with undergoes MPV reduction. Here CO is converted to the CHOH. Then here DL mixture means dextro and lower receiving mixture is formed, and this receiving mixture undergoes hydrolysis. Here in group NaCOCH3 undergoes hydrolysis. Here H attached to the NH group converted to the NH2, and COCH3 released in the form of CH2COH. This is the hydrolysis product, and this hydrolyzed product again is receiving mixture. This receiving mixture undergoes resolution in presence of ester, here releasing methanol, formation of chloromycetin. This is the synthesis of chloromycetin, and chloromycetin is also called as chloramphenicol, and chloramphenicol or chloromycetin is one of the best antibiotic. Thank you for listening.